Hello, today I will show you how to configure the camera in lighttracerrender. To render a scene, lighttracer provides different camera models available in the Settings tab. The simplest one is the Pinhole Camera model, which produces a perfectly focused image of the scene. The only setting here is the field of view, specifying the amount of zoom. For an enhanced realism, lighttracer can simulate real-world lens behavior and optical depth of field. When using this model, objects that are a certain distance away are in focus, but objects in front and behind that are blurred. By default, lighttracer configures everything automatically, and you only need to control two settings. The first is focusing distance. In autofocus mode, the camera focuses on the object in the center of the frame. Also, you can explicitly pick the focus point by clicking this button. The second important setting is the F number, which determines the depth of field. If needed, you can configure all remaining lens and camera settings manually by disabling Auto Doof Settings mode. Lighttracer also provides a 360 view camera. It allows to render a panoramic view of the scenes from the camera location and uses an equirectangular projection. This projection is compatible with the environment texture is used for world shaders, so it can be used to render an environment map. Also, this mode is useful if you want to look at your scene in VR. Fully customized camera views can be saved to slots on the View Slots tab. This allows you to conveniently switch between different viewpoints and camera settings without having to reconfigure them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.